Alright, so what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a few more days left before the reality check drag race event in Baltimore, Maryland. Come on through. I got some maintenance to do on this thing. We had a bunch of wheel hop with this last time I ran it. Thanks to Smurf, he helped me get this thing pretty tuned in, pretty dialed in. And just want to say thanks to you, buddy. But my gas tank, man, this thing was leaking like crazy. The fittings are like super small, and the fuel line just slides off of it. So I was looking. I bought a 12-ounce tank and a 10-ounce tank. Now the stock tank is about 9.8 ounces, I think that's what it is. I had this tank. This is one of the Dex RC joints, but I've heard horror stories about this thing leaking, so I'm gonna leave that alone, and I'm gonna go with the tried and true and tested Dubro tank. Now I also have, like I said, just so you know, this thing comes with a glow. I think they call it a stopper. A glow stopper in here, glow fuel stopper. So you got to change that stopper up. Let me see if I can find the correct gasoline stopper. Hold on. So here's the gas conversion stopper. Like I said, the one that comes with these things is for glow fuel. So gotta pop that off. This one I believe is black. And like I said, this one's brown. So I'll swap that out. And like I said, get rid of all this, man. This thing's a mess. As you can see, like I said, I've already took the top rail part off. But like I said, just trying to get this thing ready for reality check. You know, some good people come today. I believe Bartolome's coming. Mikey Bats, Kiki, Gary from Foundry RC, a bunch of guys. My man Marv, he's gonna be there. Of course, you're gonna have Corey Monster, you know what I mean, aka Monster. My man Bishop, Tony, Fred, just a bunch of, man, it's just gonna be fun, yo. So let me get the wrenching on this, get all this together. I think I'm gonna change my gearing too. I think I'm gonna up that a little bit. Cause like I said, I'm getting a lot of torque on this thing, and I need to bring it down some. So like I said, 165 feet. Just a little, quick update video where I'm at. Like I said, just doing a little bit of wrenching. I ordered, I ordered a new carburetor. And what else? Some new springs for the clutches, but unfortunately, I don't think it's going to be here in time from ALX. So it is what it is, But I'm gonna get the wrenching, get the changing a few things, get the thing back right, man. Clean this joint. This joint is filthy. And then I'll see you guys a little later, man. All right, like I said, just a little update video, just saying what's up. Getting ready for the reality check, baby. All right, Crucial RC, man. I'll holla at you. Out.